Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to add hyperlink to the PDF file and access wherever you want use it. You can do same process on Mac and Windows operating system. So let's start as a detailed demonstration. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here Google and just type here Wondershare PDFelement. I already put this link in same video description. You just simply click here. So look at this here. If you are working PDF related work, so this is one of the best software I saw ever. The available for Windows, Mac OS, iOS application and Android. Just simply download here free source. After finish the download, you click twice and agree and follow my instruction for the installation. Click here twice, open. I already installed this application, but you can do same process and install. I launch here. So this is a framework of Wondershare PDFelement. I want to add one hyperlink related on my covering letter. So first of all, I will show you where exactly I am adding one hyperlink. I want to add hyperlink after finish this sentence or after finish this lines like my website URL. So how to add? I just simply open this PDF here, open the covering letter and look at this file currently open here in Wondershare PDFelement. Just simply here top of the screen link options are available. I just simply click here link, so automatically here one line are come and here you can put it www.sangramsingh.com and here appreciation visible or invisible. So I select here visible. So which types of line style? So I go with first one, small medium, so we can go as a medium. Which types of color you want? So I just want as a blue, save. So look at this, the line is come here, hyperlink is come here and inside the www hyperlink is available. After save this file, automatically I can access here or anyone access this particular website URL. So I save here, simply save the file. I close the file here. Again I open this file, look at this here and I click here open. So my website is open here using these tips and tricks. It's very easy to add one hyperlink on PDF file and you can send anywhere this file, anyone are accessing very easily the particular hyperlink. It's very simple. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.